At this point, I just believe the universe freaking hates me. Like, literally. Like, this is my fourth time making this video. The gaming gods hate me. It's like they don't want me to talk about it. My computer don't want me talking about it. The universe don't want me talking about it, but they just hate me, bro. They don't want me to have the Strix card. I just went through a whole bargle with everything. I was literally made this video looking at my audio. I'm gonna have to keep looking at my audio now because this is getting retarded that I gotta keep doing this. And I basically made a full 2-part video explaining what was going on. So try to do this thing as fast as possible, and I'm gonna try to do this fast. Notice I don't have my gigabyte GPU. I returned it back. Another video on that. I'm gonna have to do the video again. Fucking audio, like, bro. All right. Long story short. I'm gonna explain to you guys what happened. The reason why I said the universe hates me is because every time I try to get a Strix card, I have dilemmas, problems, and situations that just don't want me to have this damn card. So, long story short, the Strix card became available on Best Buy. I came to the point that the situation what was going on with my card, I just wanted to return it back because I was having too many problems. Yesterday night, I didn't sleep yet. That's why I'm tired, so I'm just trying to get through this video. I seen it's available. I said, you know what, I'm going to bite this bullet. The card is available. I'm going to buy it. Right before I went to my doctor's appointment yesterday morning, which is it's 1:38 now, so it's the next day. Right when I get to the appointment, I noticed that the card is no longer available. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to return back the card to Best Buy. When I get back home from my doctor's appointment, the card is now available. Okay. It's now available to purchase. So I called Best Buy. Now, let you guys know, I am giving away a copy of Resident Evil Requiem. I've had a whole issue trying to get that code, everything like that. But as you can see, this is my tough one. This is the replacement from Microsoft. I had to go there and get a new one. So this is my replacement, everything like that. I think they was doing a giveaway with that, but I don't care right about now. But so basically what was going on is that I packed it up, called Best Buy because the manager at the store did a whole situation to try to give me that Resident Evil game for free. I already have a copy. I ended it, 100% of it. And basically what happened is that I had to call them first to make sure I could return it back because I don't know what was going on. So they had to fix the situation. They said return it back. Same manager inside the store that helped me get the game and always took care of the problems and helped me get my money back with everything. It was basically that did it. So basically what happened was I already knew some shit was going to happen. I told my wife right there while we was on our way to Best Buy, I said, listen, I got a bad feeling that I'm going to get fucked over. I literally said that something's going to happen that I'm not going to get my money back today, or some shit is going to happen, or I'm not going to get it back in time and the card is not going to be available. Return the thing back to Best Buy. She's doing everything. She said she was going to put it to a gift card. To be honest, I really didn't want a gift card. I just wanted her to just take the funds and just order it for me online because that's what they normally do when I bring stuff back and I buy something else. I just have it like that and just place. So if I needed to do like a chargeback or put a claim, I can always go through my bank because it's always easier for me to do it like that. Because I know if I got a gift card from Best Buy and something happened, there's no way for me to get that money back through Best Buy, even if I put a claim in. Best Buy will have a issue of not trying to return it back to you, and that's the whole issue that I was dealing with. Even though I went through the proper authorities, police department, everything like that, still had an issue. So basically what happened is refunded it back. So I'm still waiting for my money right now. Right? She was like, why don't you just buy it? One, I'm working with a company because I was going to buy me an e-bike and I was going to buy me a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, not the 7, because I like to use my stylus pen. So I was going to get a 6 and get an e-bike. I got a company that reached out to me that's going to try to send me an e-bike like that. But that's the reason why I didn't buy it, because I didn't buy nothing inside the store because I'm going to be buying like a $2,000 e-bike like that. So basically, I'm really waiting for my money. So now I got to stalk the Best Buy website to make sure that I can get my graphics card. And now it's to a point that I'm going to have to just get a 5080 Astro, which I really don't want to do because that's $1,800. That's $1,899, which I really don't want to spend. I really don't want to buy a 80s card. I'm paranoid with 80s and 90s cards because them catching on fire. Catching on fire, excuse me. I had to cough and yawn at the same time. But by it catching on fire. So I'm kind of like, don't want to get an 80 or a 90, 5080 or 5090. And it's just too expensive. Like, I could buy other stuff with the extra money if I get a 5080 Astro. I was looking towards the 5080 PNY, but it's a smaller card. I did like the fact how the gigabyte card was a little bit thicker, a little bit bigger. Pause. But I just like a bigger GPU on my computer, as you see over there. So yeah, that's kind of what the problem was, in that I just wasn't happy with the GPU, and I have another video to explain that. I don't know if I'm gonna do the video tonight. I might do it tomorrow and explain that. I'm just overtired. It's 1:42 a.m. But like I was telling my wife, I literally told her like 3-4 hours ago that I have a feeling that by the time I get my money refunded back to my debit card, Best Buy is not going to have the card online. And sure as it, exactly at 6 p.m., they no longer have it. Now, the card is $1,149 and I think 99 cents. Then you have a third-party seller that's literally trying to sell it for $1,500. Nobody is buying that shit for $1,500. I don't know why they're trying to overprice it. You might as well drop that price down. One, I'm not buying it because, one, I'm not paying $1,500 for a $1,000 card. I'm willing to do $1,100. Two, it's through shipping only and can't get it shipped to the store. I don't trust it because the homie could literally send me rocks, and I don't want to go through a whole issue that I have to go through Best Buy and tell them that they sent me rocks and stuff. I already received a GPU box with nothing inside of it. So I'm not trying to deal with that again. So my only option is just to sit around and just wait until it's available and wait for my money to get back to my card. So that's my only option. So if I can't get my Strix, it's the Astro or even a Zyrtec. So I don't know what I'm going to do. All right. Excuse me. I had something to say, but yeah, that's basically about it. So I'm going to actually get out of here. I'm going to go find something to eat real quick because I haven't really eaten today. I've been up all day dealing with a lot of nonsense, stress, trying to deal with this GPU. And I'm going to go to bed because I'm tired. I'm kind of like don't want to go to bed because I'm trying to see what time my money's going to get back to my card and stay on Best Buy. I try every website, even Aces website, shop.aces.com. They don't even have it in stock, so I got on a notification to try to even get that. But I'm tired. I'm overtired. Haven't slept. And I'm going to get out of here. All right, guys. I'm going to catch you guys later. Try to do these videos. The reasons why I think I said it already, but I'm giving away a copy of Resident Evil Requiem. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to have it up in my next video, stuff like that. But stay tuned. Make sure you watch the videos because I'm going to give it away because you have to redeem it before the 16th of April through on the NVIDIA app. So, yeah. So, that being said, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, become part of the DYEZ gang. Like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to catch you guys later. All right? Just wanted to get that out the way, let you guys know what's going on. I don't think I'm going to do the other part of why I got rid of it. I'm just too tired, and I need to sleep, all right? So, and no further ado, I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Wow.